WordMorpher is a desktop application designed to make working with Word and PDF documents faster, safer, and more efficient. It is useful for anyone who regularly searches, converts, repairs, compares, prints, or edits multiple documents. This includes offices, companies, translators, legal teams, quality management systems, technical documentation, administration, and anyone who works with large numbers of Word or PDF files. Instead of opening each file manually, WordMorpher lets you select a folder, choose the task you want to perform, and let the program process the documents for you. The program is organized into tabs. Each tab focuses on a specific group of tasks, such as searching inside documents, converting Word files to PDF, replacing text, translating, printing, converting, repairing files, adding watermarks, comparing documents, watching changed files, working with PDF tools, and using OCR to recognize text in scanned documents. During use, you can rely on tooltips for help. Tooltips are short explanations that appear when you place the mouse over a setting, button, or input field. They explain what each function does and when it should be used. WordMorpher is designed with safer document processing in mind. For important operations, you can use backups, save results as copies, preview changes, and export logs. This helps you check what the program has done and reduces the risk of accidental changes. Some features use external tools such as Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, or Tesseract OCR. If one of these tools is required and not available, WordMorpher will notify you. In the next video, we will look at the menu, basic settings, language selection, theme selection, folder handling, licensing, backups, and additional tools. After that, we will go through each tab step by step.